So I'm finally getting around to this low light comparison between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this is low light mode by the way, and my ZV-E10 with the 11mm f1.8 and my Crane M3 gimbal. When I originally purchased the Pocket 3, the idea was that I could probably sell my Crane gimbal as well as the 11mm lens because I didn't really budget for that. So today we're gonna find out, and I think a lot of other people are also contemplating the same thing. Can the Pocket 3 replace at least your gimbal and potentially one of your vlogging lenses? In my last video, I did an overhead shot using the ZV-E10 and my 30mm lens, and that was really impressive to me. Also, talking headshots, the Pocket 3 is not gonna be ideal for shooting shots like that. So it's not like I can totally get rid of my ZV-E10. All right, so this is D-Log-M, and the gimbal seems to be reframing me, so it's a little difficult to get the exact same scene, but I really enjoy and like D-Log-M a lot better. You know, guys, if you've never applied a LUT in post, it's really easy. There's a lot of YouTube videos that go through exactly how to apply that in whatever post-processing program you're using. But if you want me to do a tutorial, a short tutorial on that, I can do so. Just let me know down in the comments. So this is the ZV-E10 stabilized on the Zhiyun Crane M3 gimbal with my 11mm f1.8 lens. And I'm not so sure, I'm looking at this on the screen and it looks really, really, really good. I'm also shooting with a shutter speed of 60, I believe, 24p, and I've got the ISO set on auto. This is also auto white balance as well with the normal color profile. So this is the ZV-E10, but instead of normal color mode or movie mode or whatever, I switched the color profile to Cine 2. Now the problem with that particular profile is that you have to use a LUT and you have to nail the white balance. So I've set the white balance manually, and I've also set the exposure up to +1. And that's another problem with this particular color profile, is that you just have to do all this stuff to it to make it look good, but it usually looks really good in post, and once you've shot in this mode, it's hard to get out of it. Also, guys, I just want to make a quick mention. This is an extension pole, and what I noticed the other day shooting with the Pocket 3 is that it is a little short, even with the extension, battery extension on it with the little tripod, and you're gonna need probably one of these. I'm gonna put a link in the description for this. It's like under 20 bucks on Amazon. I think it's a necessary accessory for the Pocket 3. Okay, back to the Pocket 3. We're still in D-Log-M, and what I've done is I read or saw a little trick that you can adjust the white balance by setting it to auto and then choosing manual, and then it will set the white balance to whatever that manual or whatever that auto was picking up. So you can at least maintain a stable white balance. So what do you guys think? Is it worth it? Is this image worth it? Should I just continue to shoot on the Pocket 3? I don't know. I'm looking at this image and it looks pretty freaking awesome. It's still a pain in the butt to get settings right, unlock the gimbal, etc., etc. And you know, what really made me think about this camera in general is that I found myself, especially on vacation, reaching for my GoPro instead of the ZV-E10, even though I know I can get this image out of it. So I don't know, guys, is it worth it? So what do you all think? Is the Pocket 3 with its 1-inch sensor good enough? because it sure is convenient, and I won't get stopped and asked to put the camera away. You can't shoot with that here. It's a professional camera. Anyway, guys, let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are. If you found value in this video, help a brother out. Tap the like button. I'm gonna be doing more of these comparisons in the future. So if you want to be sure to catch the next one, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.